All right. So, by the way, you just mentioned the key word for the last 2 days, which is the stock has gone up, I don't know, 14%.
Wow.
Something 13, 14% in 2 days. It's not quite closed yet. I'll look again as we talk at 1 o'clock.
Yeah, when it closes. Look, I don't normally watch the stock from day to day,
Right, right.
but this particular time I had to pay attention. I mean, the
Way
move
too
was
much fun.
very, very violent. It looks like a short squeeze. I think Tesla Bumamama suggested it may be a short squeeze. She seems to see some evidence for it. I think there's a combination of reasons, a significant combination of reasons. I
Okay,
think,
well, so,
go
so
ahead. Go
yeah, we
ahead.
talked a little bit in the green room before we started. I did want to start the conversation about where we are with a Kathy Wood quote. And she says, the longer the base, the bigger the breakout. You agreed that that might be part of what's going on. Now I'll turn you loose.
Well, we did say that very thing, and you did say that very thing in our last conversation. And we did look at that, and it is true, not only true, but it is definitely, the reality is that the longer the base, if a stock is going to break down, the breakdown is very violent. If it's going to break up, the breakup is very violent. Because whatever has occurred has been ignored for a while, and then the sudden realization hits the market.
Right.
So there's no question that when you get a base developing, when something is really happening in the company, but it's not registered, it's not being acknowledged, then the reaction is very violent. That's one potential reason. The other potential reason is the possibility of a short squeeze,
Right.
which is, in Tesla's case, the short squeezes have been very violent in the
Right.
past.
Right.
This could be a short squeeze, although it seems to have gone on for quite a long time. Normally, these short squeezes are a day or two and then they're gone. And then, the other thing is that Elon gave an incredibly impactful All-In Summit interview. I think we talked about this, which I think had a lot to do, and the analysis that followed from that, I think, must have been very bullish internally at the institutions. And so there's a lot of factors, involved. And the other thing is, the robotaxi app has been released in at least to the Apple
Right. Apple's
client,
right.
phone owners, and the downloads were dramatic
Right.
on
Right.
day one.
Yes.
And that's kind of an indicator that a lot of the social arbitrageurs use. So, you've got a confluence of events.
Yeah.